Welcome students, let us see one more question. This question says the curve y is equals to x square minus x minus 6 intersects the x-axis at point A and B. So let us draw the rough diagram here. So let us suppose this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and see we have equation y is equals to x square minus x minus 6. This is an quadratic equation in which the coefficient of x square, that is the a, is positive. Right now here a is 1. I am comparing with my standard equation, that is the y is equals to ax square plus bx plus c, right? So here my a is 1, since this is the positive, so my curve should be upward concave like this. So and you know the x-intercepts are roots as well. So the x-intercepts are a and b. So basically this is talking about the roots of this equation. So to draw the rough diagram, first I'm going to find the roots. So what the roots of this equation? So I equated with this 0, so I will try to factorize this. So I should write x square minus 3x plus 2x minus 6 is equals to 0. So we can take x as a common, x minus 3 plus 2 as a common, x minus 3 should be equals to 0. So we are getting x minus 3 times x plus 2 should be equals to 0. So the roots are basically minus 2 and plus 3. So these are the two roots. So let us mark them first. So minus 2, let's suppose minus 2 is here, and let's suppose plus 3 is here. So this may be your point A and this may be our point B, and we know the curve should be our upward concave. So the upward concave should be like this, okay, and has a minimum at point C. See, don't confuse with this y-intercept. This may be your minimum or not, right? Right now this is the y-intercept, but we have to find the minimum one. So it may be like this. In our diagram the point of minimum is here, right? So what we can do, we can find its minimum value as well. So if you know the vertex of any parabola, so it is minus b upon 2a, and it's d upon minus d upon 4a. So see, we have the formula for the vertex of parabola also, or we may use the symmetry concept as well. Let us first find with the help of formula. See, in this video I will tell you every possible possibility, so that you can learn as much as possible. So right now when I compare my equation with the standard one, so a is 1, what should be my b is minus 1, and c is minus 6, and we know the formula for the vertex of parabola is minus b by 2a, and it's minus d upon 4a. So let us suppose we are going to first find x coordinate, which is minus b upon 2a. I'm going to find the x coordinate of a vertex. So this should be minus of minus 1 upon 2 times of 1. So this is going to 1 by 2. And let us suppose we are going to find its y coordinate. So what's the y coordinate of vertex? It's minus d upon 4a. So what's the d? D is b square minus 4ac upon 4a. Let's put the value. Okay, so this will be minus b squared, that is the 1, minus 4 times a is 1, c is negative of 6 upon 4 times a, that is the 4, because a is 1. So let us put the value, do the simplification. So this will be 1 plus 24 upon 4, right? So this is going to minus 25 upon 4. So we got the coordinates of vertex, that it should be, see, it should be 1 by 2 and minus 25 upon 4. So you can see that the minimum is not going at x is equals to 0. So minimum is going at x is equals to 1 by 2. If you see its x coordinate will be 1 by 2, and its y coordinate will be minus 25 by 4, right? This is the first concept. What's the another concept we can apply here? We can use the concept of symmetricity. See, this is the root and this is the root, so its vertex will be in between, right? So the line of symmetry, or you can say the vertex x coordinate, will be in between. So we can find the x coordinate directly. What's the middle of a and b? So you will do minus 2 plus 3 divided by 2. See, you can directly get 1 by 2. So you got that its line of symmetry. I think you know this line of symmetry of this parabola will be x is equals to 1 by 2. So its vertex will lie on this line. If you want to find the y coordinate, it's again a simple concept. Just put this x value in your equation. See, like we have equation here, x square minus x minus 6. So just put the value 1 by 2. So when you will put 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 2 minus 6, let's find it and verify it. So it is 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 minus 6. You can take the LCM as well. So LCM will be 4. So this is a 1 minus 2 minus 24. So this is going to minus 25 upon 4, isn't it? See, we are getting the same value. Let's see, minus 25 by 4. So right now we have understood many things in regarding this question. Okay, let us read the next statement. So there is a minimum at point C. So we got our minimum point. This is the point C, right? We can name this as point C, and we have the coordinates of this point C as well. Now the question is saying that there is a rectangle ABDE has two of its vertices at A and B. So we have the point A and we have the point B. Right now we have 2 points only. We have to find D and E. The point C lies on the edge DE, right, between D and E. So see, the point C is here. It means our rectangle should be like this, ABDE. It should be on the edge DE. And please take care, I have to name this point as D because the naming is ABDE. It's always a cyclic, right? In the name we have to follow the cyclic order. So A, B, after this point will be D, and this point will be E. So right now we have our required rectangle. So this is the rectangle ABDE, and this point C is lying on the edge DE, right? So we have this rectangle. I hope everything is clear to you, right? So we have to find the area of rectangle ABDE. That's very simple. You know, the rectangle area of rectangle is length into breadth. So we have the length. We can find the distance AB, right? Right now we have to find only the width of this rectangle. So how we can find? See, this AE, whatever this AE will be same as, we can name this ABCDEF. This FC, isn't it? It's a rectangle, so these all will be equal. AE will be equals to CF will be equals to DB, and we have the value of CF. What's the CF? It's 25 upon 4. See, we have to find the length only, not the coordinate. So I will not take the negative sign here. We are interested in length of the CF. So CF is 25 upon 4, right? So we have the width of the rectangle. Just need to find its length. So we have to find AB. I have the coordinate of A, that it is -2, 0, and this B is 3, 0. So it's obvious that the length is 5 units, right? 3 units in the right hand side, 2 units in the left hand side. So AB is 5, and AE, that's the width of the rectangle, that is the 25 upon 4. So when we find its area, it should be length into width. So it is 5 into 25 upon 4. So it should be 125 upon 4, and we have to go in the decimal because options are in decimal. So I think it should be 125 divided by 4. It's 31.25. Let us see the option number. Yeah, 4. So this is the correct one. So I hope you have understood this question with detailed explanation, right? So if you have understood this, and if you're liking this video, please like this video and subscribe this channel for more such questions on ESAT Mathematics 2. Thank you. Thanks for watching.